Hi, how's it going? My name is Mark. I just want to say that if you're looking for a great company, I just want to recommend a company called Great American Credit Repair.com. They not only do what they say they're going to do, but they do a great job thoroughly. They are not one of those companies where they just take your money, they run, or they say they're going to get back with you and they don't, or they just get back with you with a bill. They get the job done. So I just wanted to make a quick recommendation and say work with this team. Work with Bob and his team. They are awesome. Anyways, have a great day and